Alright, I'm going to show how to release the parking brake if you have electric parking brake in order to access the rear brake pad replacement mode. So first thing you'll do, get in and go to key position 2 if your parking brake is already set. Put your foot on the brake and release the parking brake, and then turn the ignition off and go to key position 1. If you have any type of messages like this one does, just hit OK to clear it. You want to be on this screen right here. Hit the back button and for 2 seconds, and then the OK button. Scroll down to brake pad replacement mode and click on that. Since your parking brake is released, you'll have the move to fitting position OK. So go ahead and hit that button, and that will run the parking brake all the way out, so that you can then compress the rear piston and replace the brake pads. Then you can turn the ignition off, leave it like that, do all your work, and then when you're done with the rear brake pad replacement, go ahead and go to key position 1 again. And you should still be on this screen. If not, just follow the same process to get back into the workshop menu. Hit OK. And that'll go ahead and put it back into normal operating mode, and your park light will stop flashing. Okay, so it's done. Go ahead and confirm. And that's how you put it into pad replacement mode. Again, only on a vehicle with an electric parking brake. Don't need to do that on ones with a manual parking brake here. So